Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, my group is going to present about the mobile phone selection expert system. So we have three group members. First, we have AZIM Ali bin AFTAR Ali, AHMAD AZRI bin ZAKARIA, and also Muhammad Ajwad bin Muhammad Akram. So, mainly, the use of cell phone and in particular the rise of texting has become a central part of life. Expert system, a form of artificial intelligence, are designed to solve many real-world problems by reasoning through the knowledge and utilizing data gathered from humans or subject matters expert. Using this expert system, the decision of choosing a mobile phone can be solved easily. So, we have discovered three main problem statements from the system. First, the user are unclear and lack of knowledge about the specific purpose of the particular mobile phone. Secondly, user uses a huge amount of time to compare between mobile phones to make their choice to buy the right one. Thirdly, users are considering their usage and necessities of having a particular mobile phone and the function provided by the mobile phone itself. And the scope for this project is that we would like to develop the user to give the best recommendation for mobile phone suitable for their needs. Secondly, we would like to create a system to help in minimizing the time spent on browsing the internet searching for a new mobile phone. Thirdly, the system will be able to compare between mobile phones that the user might want to compare the difference before deciding on the best mobile phone to buy. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Azim. And now we are moving on to project significant. The first one is the greatest contribution to society of the mobile phone is in improved productivity. The second one is the importance of this matter is that we will want to resolve as many issues as possible with mobile phones stated in our problem statement above. And thirdly, to improve people's knowledge on gadgets. Fourthly, great contribution to the people as this expert system is developed according to our modern lifestyle. Okay, next, for the objective of the project, the first one is to determine the perfect mobile phone specifications based on user input. And the next one is to provide mobile phone information based on user preference. And lastly, to recommend the best mobile phone based on the user's needs. And now, we are on the knowledge acquisition. The acquisition of knowledge is the process by which some kind of knowledge, usually an expert within a particular domain, is acquired for the purpose of solving problems. To acquire the knowledge related to our problem domain for the project. And based on the system that we have seen on the web regarding the mobile phone selection, provides us an insight into how the knowledge will be organized and represented, and the problem solving concepts are being established. The knowledge acquired is organized into semantic networks and flowcharts that are then transformed into rules in the knowledge base. This is our semantic network, and starting from the option, you can select the specification here and it will ask you about the chipset. The specification has chipsets, battery life, storage, color, and also display size. Once you have selected all of these input, the specification will generate into the iOS, and iOS has iPhone models of recommended for you, which is from iPhone 12 mini to iPhone 14 Pro Max. And now we are going to talk about the flow chart. From the start, the user we have two options, either to pick the specification which enters our expert system or go to phone models. And if we go into our specification, it will ask you about the view chipset and the view color, view display size, view camera resolution, and next, view storage capacity. And lastly, it will shows an output of your phone recommendation. And that's where it ends. Okay, that's all. and I'm going to pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Azri. Now I will explain the variable table. The variable table of our project is as follows. So for the variable chipset, we have number of value is 3, which is A14, A15, and A16. For the color, we have two number of color, which is black and red. For the display resolution, number of value is 2, which is more than 6.3 inch and less than 6.3 inch. The battery life, we have 2, which is more than 18 hour or less than 18 hour. And lastly, the storage, we have number of value of storage is 3, which is 125 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Okay, now for the system demo. So this is our mobile phone selection expert system. So we have the header, the general statement of the mobile phone. So to evaluate the system, we need to click here, and lastly we got the importance of the mobile phone. Okay, let me demo to you our expert system. So first, choose chipset Bionic chip. So there we have 3 number of input, which is A15, A14, and A16. So let's say I click the A14. For the color, I choose the color red. For the display resolution, I choose more than 6.3 inch. For the battery life, I will choose less than 18 hour. And lastly, for the storage, I will choose 128 GB. So the output will be generated as below. Your suitable phone for you is iPhone 12 Pro with color red, 6.7 inch screen display resolution. Battery life based on the video playback is 70 hour and 128 GB storage. And that's all for us. Thank you.